This is the Tosnail cymbal carrying case. This case holds up to a 22-inch cymbal, and I have to say this thing is fantastic. First and foremost, it has a bunch of ways that you can carry it. It's got the handle right here, and there's Velcro where you can pull these together. And it also has backpack straps, and I will tell you, these are actually quite comfortable to use when you have a ton of cymbals in here. Now, if we go inside the case right here, there's double zippers for the zippers. And then, if you go in here, you have separators. So I have two cymbals right here, I have two cymbals right here, I have two cymbals right here, and then I have four cymbals up front. So you have three different separators making 4 pockets in the main pouch. And then in this front pouch, which is a smaller size for smaller cymbals, you have more space. And I have just a bunch of goodies. I have a practice pad, a bunch of drum kits, all sorts of stuff in here. So if you're in the market for a very solid cymbal case that can hold a bunch of cymbals, this thing is awesome. I'm putting all of my practice cymbals in here, all my low volume cymbals in here, and I'm able to carry them and have no worries whatsoever. So if you're in the market for a solid cymbal case, this one's great.